Sanibonani, igama lami nguSiphelele Cele, and this is my story. Hayi, shathi mina vele ngumuntu onomusa yabo. I'm a very caring guy, yabo. Even intombi yami, yabo, she can have another man, she can have a side nigga, another side nigga. Like I don't care, I don't mind sharing. So I had a sanitizer, which was like not really a liter, but like 500 milliliters. So I had this sanitizer that I was using. It was very strong, 92% alcohol, if I'm not mistaken. So I had this sanitizer that I was using. It was very safe. At some point, my hands started to feel. My hands were starting to turn white. I remember this other time, I was using the sink, like to wash my hands, like following all these COVID-19 rules. This other time I'm washing my hands on the sink. The more I wash my hands, I start to notice like, no, my hands are actually turning white. I was so confused. But at the same time, that was when I got assurance with, this sanitizer is the one.
Sanitizer, ngifake wena angiphucase asemseke ngoba yakhe ingcono yabo ngixa manje imali ukuthi ziyafana yabo
bese sihleli sidla ukudla siyasanitize before sidle siyasanitize qeda ukudla siyasanitize siyolala siyasanitize.
So whoever visited me anywhere, I would sanitize them. Like I was very generous with my sanitizer. There was a time where we didn't have alcohol, but we had cold drinks, And me being a generous guy, I was like, hey, my gent, let's take my sanitizer and use it as a replacement for vodka or gin.
Hayi ukuthi imoshile shandise imoshe kakhulu mfethu ngoba bine wokumuntu into odlulayo o nomuntu yakwazi noma akwazi yakunika nje usakazi yabo ukuthi unikelani wonke umuntu unika wonke umuntu.
Tough times came and they lasted. Yaphela isanitizer yami.
Ubona abantu abaphunyelwa amafa imali mayisesanda uyiqeda. Bese umuntu njalo isaba ngisho ukusibona isaba ngisho ukuphuma leminyaka. Ngithi sanitizer engasekho.
Indlela akasaphumi.
I went to Cleats, no sanitizer. Went to Discam, no sanitizer. Even went to my friend, no sanitizer.
Siyakhwehlela bese sofuka ama-asthma bese yabona into engayiqondi.